So I've just released Chanté on the PIV label of Chris and Pronk, and it's filled with harmonies, melodies, chords, patterns, etc. So there are a couple of ways to enhance that kind of key problem, which a lot of you guys are facing. Although I'm getting text messages, how are you processing your key or harmonies with chord progression, etc. Well, it's a Logic, and I guess Ableton has got a tool too that's called Chord Trigger, and Chord Trigger is kind of easy to use. So you can set different chord types like major, minor, and then oh, that's nice. That's less. That's not so nice. But you need to play with the chord trigger, and I think it's very handy because I used to play piano way back when I was a little bit too stubborn to continue lessons with my keyboard and my piano. So the teacher was going insane because he was saying, Dennis, you're just like improvising all the time with keys and chords. So I know my keys, how to play a C chord or F minor, etc. But I like to speed up things. When I'm in my creative phase, I like to play a melody and then fill it with harmonies. So that's one way to create harmonies with a chord trigger in Logic. And again, I don't know if Ableton has got the same similar tool, but I guess there are a lot of plugins or software settings to create the same with.